Have you ever struggled to have a new project idea, or have you ever wondered about how to get some inspiration for your wearable builds? Well, that's what today's video is all about. I'm going to give you 9 suggestions. 7 could make you some money, so let's jump right in. Hi, I'm Christine, and my channel is all about creating fun and creative wearable projects, things that you can make. I've also written a book about wearable technology, which is available at all good bookstores. Number 1. New components. This is a fabulous one. So sometimes I might get something new, like this little Flora wearable board, which I find inspirational. So these new components might inspire you to make a project. This is an example of a project where these are conductive fabric strips, and I was really motivated to try these new fabrics and just get them tested out, see how they feel, see how they sew. But in turn, I developed this entire arm of inputs. So using something new and exciting is a really great way to get motivated for your projects. Or it might be that I found something super cool, like for example, these chunky buttons. These are lovely, and it might be that I found a chunky button and I just want to integrate it into a new circuit. So sometimes seeing something fun or something that you think would be a good idea to use in your project can be a great way to just motivate yourself. Number 2 is just learning something new. So it might be that you're experimenting with for loops, for example, and you might want to use a for loop to turn on certain colors or display a visual effect and so on. That you wanting to learn a new skill, a new programming challenge, set that as your goal and then make something cool with it. 3. Mixing components. So I might have a funky NeoPixel strip, a WS2812 strip, and maybe I want to integrate it with some kind of new circuit board that I've got. So like an ESP32 with camera or similar. So how can I mix my components together, a new combo? I might want to use an OLED this time for something different in my project. So how can my components mix and match to create a fun new circuit? 4, random. It can be super fun if you get some pieces of paper and just write down some of the components that you already have. Those components you can then just pull out of a hat or whatever it is that's nearby, a drawer or something, and you can then use those to create your new project. So that can be a super fun way to come up and kind of force yourself to come up with something that maybe you wouldn't have thought of in the first place. 5 is situational. So it might be that you have a very dark room, a very noisy room. You might have a project where you're outside in the sun, maybe you're on the beach. So depending on the situation that you're going to be in or that you're currently in, use that to motivate and inspire one of your projects. Taking that situation and turning it into some kind of wearable that can help with the situation or turn the situation into something different. 6 is about finding a problem or finding something that you've been irritated by or just something that you're trying to solve. Often if we're looking for solving a problem that we encounter every day. So for example, I do a lot of projects that help me remember things. I find that I feel that I'm a forgetful person sometimes, and I write things down a lot. So it might be that you take something that you're finding difficult in your life, or maybe your parents are finding something difficult and so on. Take that as inspiration and turn that into some kind of wearable or fashion tech project. Number 7 is where it can maybe make you some money. This is fantastic, and I do use this one quite a lot for my own projects. And this is about contests or competitions. There are several maker sites that have really stellar competitions. So you might want to try looking at something like an Instructable. So you're going to have to really detail carefully your project, which is great motivation for you anyways to make that new project. But putting it on Instructables for one of their competitions, you could win a prize, and it's 100% worth you looking at this. I have made a few projects because the Instructables contest seemed super fun. But there's also Hackaday, Hackster.io, DF Robot. So there's other places where you can win components, you can win cold hard cash, and so on. So look for the competitions and use that to motivate your projects. Number 8 is about finding things either at a second-hand shop, which is great because you're reusing items and also you're going to be less precious about something that has cost you less money and that someone has kind of given away or donated. Finding something like that, or finding things when they're on sale. So quite often things like gloves, if I find gloves that I think look kind of funky and cool, I'll buy them. Gloves, hats, jackets are really good, and handbags or bags are really good items that you can use to create your wearables. So these gloves, for example, could make a great gardening wearable and so on. So look for things that are on sale or in a charity shop, and then you won't feel precious about it and you can just get on straight with creating. Number 9 is just choose a body part. So this one I do find quite challenging because I find myself kind of gravitating towards certain body parts more than others. But you could challenge yourself to eventually go completely head to toe. So you might design a hat item, you might design something for your neck or a jewelry piece, you might design a chest item in some way or a shoulder wearable, and so on. So using your own body, decide on what area do you think you want to design for? So based on these 9 suggestions, it can also be a really good idea to mix and match and put them together in different ways. So I'm very curious as to what things you've tried to get inspired for a project. Let me know if there's any other ways that you use to generate your project ideas. I'm sure our maker communities can always use inspiration. Hopefully today you found it useful to look at these 9 different ideas, and I'd highly recommend going back to 7 and trying some of those contests. You never know what you might win, and let us know in the comments if you have given it a try. Subscribe for more tutorials, more content on fashion and wearable technology.